These are the top 5 oldest animals still alive today. And trust me, number 1 will shock you. Comment down below which one amazed you the most. But first, like and subscribe if you think this cat is cute or this creepy spider will be in your bed tonight. First is horseshoe crab. These guys have been crawling around for 450 million years, way before dinosaurs ever showed up. Next is Nautilus. This spiral-shelled survivor has stayed almost unchanged for 500 million years. Next is coelacanth. Once believed extinct, this living fossil fish has been around for 400 million years. Next is jellyfish. They've been drifting through the oceans for over 500 million years, older than trees themselves. Next is sponges, the simplest animals on Earth, sticking around for 600 million years, the true ancient survivors.